Hello, traders and scalpers. Welcome back once again to the Stock Market Scalper channel. I'm your host, Scalper779. In this video, I want to take a look at a put option that deals with the spiders. Now, for you guys who are familiar with call options and put options, this will be very basic, and maybe you got in on some action yesterday or days prior. If you're new and you don't know anything about call options or put options, I might put out a video later on if there's enough interest, just to give out the basics. Every platform has different requirements for certain accounts and certain what they call it, certain trading rights or whatever. Anyway, I don't want this video to be too long. I just want to go over the fact that if you don't have let's say 5,000 or whatever the bare minimum is to trade or open up a trading account, with margin. I think the whole thing is margin. It's been a while since I had to deal with that, but I think Schwab, I don't know much about Schwab, but I do have a paper account with Thinkorswim Canada, and it's fantastic. But I think all that stuff is moving over to Schwab because Schwab got them somehow, either bought them out or did something. And I looked up the minimums, and you gotta have like, was it 15,000 American or 25,000 American to trade with them, or to have certain trading rights or trading abilities. Anyway, some of that information might be a little off, but this is just for the trader or scalper who doesn't have a whole lot of money and is able to trade options, but you never have, or you're kind of scared, or you never done it for real, just maybe in your paper trading account. So on the left here, this is yesterday and today's spiders chart, 15 minutes. I like the 15-minute chart. And here's a picture I took. If you know about the weekly options, and all options, they expire. Especially the graphs, the charts. So I take a picture of ones that I'm interested in, and this is a photo of the 484 put that expired yesterday. So right here, there's 10 o'clock, and my cursor's not going to work on here because it's a photo, but this is 10 o'clock right here. You can just count the bars. This is a 9:30 bar right here. So just count the bars. So if let's say you didn't have enough money in your account to go short on the spiders or the ES, right? I like following the ES too. Well, yeah, because I don't know. I really don't know, because I just trade options. I don't trade shares on the spider. So I really don't know how much you need in your account, or the margin amount needed. But here, with the put option, you just need $50. You just need $50 to buy one put option. When you buy a put option, you're betting, let's just use that word for now, you're betting that the spiders is going to go down. So it says 0.5, but you have to multiply these by 100, these numbers by 100. So that's actually $50. The low here says 0.22. Well, that's not 22 cents. It's $22. Okay. So just keep that in mind whenever you're looking at a put option chart or a call option chart. You always have to multiply the value by 100. Okay. So if you got the direction correct on this scalp here, well, you could have got in for 50 bucks. And let's just say you want to double your money. Well, this one represents 100 bucks. So right there, it moves, from 100, now it comes back down to 80 or whatever, 75, 76, whatever that is. And it goes back up, right? But it's an easy double your money kind of thing. Whereas here, in order for you to double your money, if you got short on the actual ETF, you'd have to use a huge amount of money, right? So, but again, options are a little risky because they do lose value over time. But there's actually a couple chances here to make money on this particular put. This is the 484 put. So where are we here? So this is what, around 12 o'clock? 1 o'clock. Yeah, right in here. Okay. Came down 60, just below 60. If you got in, right? Let's say you got lucky enough and you got in at 55 or even 60 here. You could have doubled your money still. Anywhere between 50 and 60, you would have doubled your money if you got out. Of course, you gotta make sure where you're going to get out. Have your predetermined buys and sells. But here again, right, you get in between 60 and 70 if you know what you're doing, and comes right back to the top here. 135, probably almost 140 here at the top. I didn't write the high, so I don't know how high that actually is, but it's at least 135 bucks. And yeah, doubling your money. So, and you can actually short these puts as well, but that's a little bit, you need quite a bit of money to do that as well, because a lot of these options, they'll go from way higher value than this all the way down to zero. Anyway, that's probably another video at some point, but I just wanted to point out that you actually don't have to trade on the spiders, and have a lot of money putting into that. You can just use 50, 60, 40, 30, 10 bucks, and double it, triple it. I'll show you some more examples as we go on. Turn in, let's say, $12 into 150 bucks. It's quite insane. But the video's gone on long enough, and I appreciate you watching. If you like these videos, I'm going to be pumping out more as I get better. I just started this channel. Please subscribe, please like the videos, please tell your friends, your family, whoever who wants to learn. Give me some feedback. Tell me what you'd like to see. Tell me if there's anything else that you need to improve on, or that I need to improve on. Anyway, I really appreciate you guys watching the videos, and we'll see you in the next one.